Sorry, I'm yawning here. It's been. All right, who do we have here logging in? Oh, he's not awake yet. Oh my gosh.
Hey, morning.
What's up, Jay? So are you going to do the live streaming or
Actually,
what are you gonna do?
it's live right now.
It is. Ah, welcome everybody.
All right.
We're
Nobody watches though.
Yeah, we're technically just bullshitting here, so we're not doing anything.
That's good. That's good with me. What's
Yeah.
man? Why I can't read your screen for some reason?
You cannot see the quad right there.
Yeah, the resolution's pretty bad.
Yeah, I have a 49-inch. I don't know if that make any difference. Hang on, let me change it. Yes. Let me change it to the smaller one. Hang on. Screen application. Let me do you know what? Let me do the screen number 2.
Going on, man, but they are absolutely ripping the.
Just give me a second here. All right, where are we? Come on, dude. There you go. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, looks better.
It's interesting. It's right here. It's saying that your stream is still running. We just pause this preview. Okay, I guess it's just pausing the preview. All right, so let's do this. So as you guys can see, Nasdaq is doing a lot better today rather than yesterday. I mean, yesterday is just ugly sell-off, which is fine. I mean, we expect the quad reaching. Already mentioned quad reaching a couple times. You know, we expect there's gonna be a big play coming in. So, but yeah, today Nasdaq is doing a lot better. You can see the internal basically is showing greener in Nasdaq rather than in SPY or ES. So if we want to go long, we want to see. So if we want to go long, we want to see. So if we want to go long, we want to see. So if we want to go long, we want to see. So if we want to go, Facebook is doing well.
Jeez. Sorry.
Facebook is already up 11 points now, almost 12 points. That is really good. 290 right now. What else? Maybe we can look at Apple. Apple is green about 9-10 cents now. In fact, I do really like Apple. Give me a second. Let me look at the chart. Yeah, so we are making, let's see, 4 hours. So what are you guys looking for? Are you guys looking for like a day trading, or are you guys looking for a swing trade?
I'm looking for some self-put opportunities.
Oh, okay, you want to do that? All right, Roblox is also green, about $2.76.
Yeah, how's your self-put for your Roblox doing?
Well, technically here, let me see. Where is my Roblox? Okay. So I mentioned I sold Roblox at $1.60, right? I'm taking credit on $1.60. Let me move my screen here. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
All right, Roblox right here. So $1.60. I have 5 contracts. So now it's about 92 cents because Roblox is about roughly about $70. So I'm gonna play this until the end of the day. Hopefully I can get the whole $800 if we're able to close above 70. The other play that I can do, I can roll over this to April, right? If I roll over this to April, I'm able to get another $6.10, or could be more. Just play it the whole month. I think Roblox, like I mentioned yesterday, Roblox has a lot anticipation from people because the stock is new, just like IPO, couple, I would say probably a week. And then, there's a lot of kids are playing Roblox these days, right? So eventually the long run is good, but I don't like the way how they just IPO and put like a big valuation. To be honest with you, I think Roblox can go down. If they really want to push it down, they can go down to $40-ish. Then I'll be interested so much on that one. But right now, $70, not so much. I mean, I'm kind of in the middle. Like, do I really want to roll over, or do I really want to just wait out? Because I think, like I mentioned yesterday again, second quarter is going to be getting more ugly. The chart is not looking well right now. We probably have bounce until the end of the month, and then the second quarter will be much uglier. That's how I feel it. So,
Okay.
just by looking at the chart. All right, let me move that so you guys don't see too much of my red color. All right, so what do we have here? Okay, ES. I like ES though. I mean, ES can go up to 39.25 if it does really want to bounce. We do have a potential to go crazy today. I mean, market can go up and down, just do whatever they want, right? The market mover. So Apple.
What is ES again?
ES is the
futures, right?
the feature, yeah, ES feature.
Oh, okay, thank
The
you.
way you type it in is //ES. Also Tilray, looking at Tilray, there's also potential bounce. Palantir 24. Oh yeah, Palantir is doing much better now. Let's take a look though, the zero day on Palantir here. All right, March 19, Palantir 23.50. Oh, it's only giving about 7 cents, so it's nothing. Apple, let's take a look at Apple. I know Apple is a little bit bigger, so you have to have enough capital. So Apple sell put 120 is about 38 cents, 40 cents for the $120 stock, right? I don't know how big your capital is, but I'm not gonna touch that for 0 day. I prefer to look at stock that, within $20-30, so at least you don't burn so much of your capital. Let me pull my cheddar flow here. Give me a second and see what we can scan today. All right, here, can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look a couple of stock that we saw earlier, right? Roblox. See if there's anything. Roblox. Ooh, this is good. I like it. April 30th, 90 calls. Like I mentioned, see, there's a lot of anticipation on Roblox. 100 calls. I mean, it's not much on the premium. It's not like big, like million or 500,000 or 250K. But this is okay and pretty decent as well, because remember, Roblox option is just available like a couple days ago. So it's a new IPO.
I'm just curious, John. When it calculates whether it's bullish, what's the time frame that it collects data for?
Oh well, this one is real time. This is a real time just for today. So if we're looking at Roblox here, this
So-
is just came in today right here.
So does it look at all the option opportunities and then determine whether it's bullish or bearish?
Well, this, like I said, this is just information, the data that just came today. People basically execute it. This is already executed. It's already come in, right?
Awesome.
There's no put yet. So
Oh, that-
now you can look at the historical flow, which is we can go back to a week, right? Maybe we don't see much data.
But it's daily though. That
This
right
is
there.
yes, the data is daily. The one
Okay.
that I'm showing is a real-time data that just came in, and of course it's updated continuously right throughout the day.
Yeah.
So this one, if you look at, there's a Roblox 60 put here, the only Roblox 60 put. So I'm thinking whatever Roblox is pushing it down, there's gonna be a buy dip again, and then it's gonna go right to the $80. That's my take. $80 is always the target for me. That's why I'm willing to take sell put on 70 put. So anyway, so this is Roblox. Let's go take a look like Apple. If there's any good stuff. Take a look premium.
Do you mind, since we're talking about Roblox, can we look at whether the sell put opportunities are worth it or not?
Yeah, of course. So let me, my screen is gonna be too big here. So Roblox. So the sell put, okay, that's good. They're coming with the weekly now. Yesterday was just monthly. So there's a weekly on Roblox now. So we can take a look March 26 on Roblox. 70 put Roblox expired next week, March 26. Right now it's giving us about $3.55 in the mid.
Okay.
The bid is 340, the ask is 370. Right? Now you can see on Roblox call 70 call, there's a big volume right there.
Wait, you can see
2400.
you can see this data on Cheddar? I don't see it.
No, this one is on toss. Let me bring it up. See if I can. Come on, my screen is stuck there. Because I have a 49 and I have a 27. So everything has become mismatch. Here we go. Did you guys see my screen?
Okay, yeah, I see it.
All right. Hopefully it's not small. I mean,
actually, it's good.
Do whatever. All right, perfect. Now you see right there, 75 call. It's 2400.
Yeah. Okay.
And if we scroll up again, I mean, that's it, right? And then the put, there's nothing there on this side. I mean, there is some, but it's small volume. Now, if we go all the way to April 1st, it's basically nothing. And then 113 on 75 as well. So like I mentioned earlier, I like this. I like Roblox to go long if I really want to go long. I think this can go to 75 if you wanna either buying call, selling put, 70 put, right? Or you can just buy the stock and then just set target for 74.50 and then sell it.
So looking at selling put at 70 strike price, it says 0, that's why, for open interest. 0 for open interest.
I'm sorry.
If you look at I'm sorry, I'm looking at March 26 expiration.
Yeah, March 26. And what is the strike?
Strike is 70.
70 call or 70 put?
70 put.
Okay.
Volume is 12 only, and open interest is 0. Will that get filled? Will that get likely filled or not?
Well, the executed fill is not based on volume and open interest. It's based on how liquid the stock, the transaction, right? This stock has big volume, I believe. I don't know how big the volume right now, but we can take a look. When I say volume, I'm talking about the stock volume and the option volume. Right now, the volume is about 2 million, so which is good for the stock, right?
Okay.
Because there's a lot of transaction here.
Okay.
So anyway, but my point is right now on March 19, the only thing I see is 135 on 60 put, 65 put, 70 put, 370 on volume. This is on March 19 though, expired today. And then 800 on 70 call, and then 265 on 75 call. So I think this is a good stock if you really want to take the risk, go long or sell put. So this is what I don't like about the thing. You just got stuck here. Come on, there you go. All right, market is bouncing now. ES is already breaching 3,900 back again, so up. Let's go take a look Nasdaq as well. Nasdaq is up about almost 60 points. So Nestor, are you trading anything?
Not currently, because I switched over from Robinhood to Fidelity, and then Fidelity straight up said to my face like, we're gonna only approve you for level 1 options. So I moved to
Oh no!
I moved to Tastyworks, TD Ameritrade, or Thinkorswim.
Wait, did you say that you moved to Tastywork?
Yeah.
They should be able to approve you all the way to level 4.
Yeah, no. I've done level 3 with them before, so we're good there.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why they didn't approve me for even level 2. Like,
Siri
what the heck?
here. Let me know if I can help.
I'm not talking to you, Siri.
So,
Yeah, it's Fidelity. It sucks, man. I mean, Fidelity is nice if you just do 401k, but for day trading, they really.
yeah. So I'm looking to hopefully the funds will clear by either this week or next, or Monday or next Monday.
Yeah, TD Ameritrade is good. E-Trade is good. So I normally use those two. Robinhood is just for fun money.
Yeah, I don't. It's very simple to use, but I eventually just like I don't like it that much.
Yeah, especially with the whole thing, WSB crap stuff. They just liquidate people, out of nowhere. So,
man, gotta love that Reddit.
Yeah. So, what do you normally trade then, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, I haven't traded in a while. My most recent play was GameStop. That was the 5K to 25.
Okay.
Other than
Nice.
that, though, it was very basic condors and spreads. Nothing really too advanced.
Butterfly.
Yeah, iron flies.
Okay.
Like everything I'm seeing on your charts are like oh my goodness. Like I'm just like an RSI MACD type of person. So any type of indicators and all this stuff is pretty new to me. And it's like, okay, I want to learn this stuff.
Yeah. Always. Feel free to ask questions. I'm not the expert. Like I say, I'm not really certified on doing all this stuff. You just want to put the disclaimer out there. But yeah, I'm willing to help to whoever that want to learn. So this is just a side fun gig for me. I have full-time job. I'm doing e-commerce. So Jason, I know Jason. What is it? 3 years now, Jason? We both doing e-commerce. That's how we become close.
Yeah.
On what, Amazon? Or sorry,
Amazon. For me, I'm doing everything like Amazon, eBay, all that stuff. I think Jason, you just doing Amazon or are you doing somewhere else too?
I dabble in a lot. Amazon merch,
Yeah.
golf carts.
But most likely the e-commerce, just the Amazon, right?
Yeah.
So, yep. Now
Also,
you know the.
So official ace is new?
Nestor just joined today.
Oh,
I don't know.
cool.
I don't know how he got joined.
How'd you find John Hart? Ace.
So I was looking just like in some random live like futures and stuff. I saw his channel recommended, and I was like, $1,000 day trade. I'm not much of a day trader, and if I am, it'd only be like spreads and stuff. But I was like, okay, I'll take a look at this because I've heard about SPX 0-day expirations before. That interests me, and I was like, okay, damn, he really pulled it off. So I was like, okay, and
No, I mean it's a good money maker if you're really consistent with that. The problem is I'm not really aggressive enough. I mean, I see an opportunity, I'll take it, but by looking at 0-day DTE every day or every 3 times a week, that's just time consuming, man. I mean, for me, for some people, they're making a ton of money if they're really killing it. So
I got all the time in the world, so I don't mind that personally. But
yeah, maybe once in a while we'll do live, 0 DTE and see how we go. But keep in mind, I want to wait until the volatility is kind of settle. Then we can see like the market will be stabilized. Because right now it's just like moving like crazy. So
do you trade like off the VIX or anything like that?
yes.
What did you usually aim for? Like the 20 to 30s?
Well, when you say off the fix, is basically just I'm just using the VIX as an indicator,
Yeah.
not really like trading in VIX.
Yeah, no, I get that.
So I'm not sure when you say that the 2030, like the indicator, like hey, 2030 will be stabilized. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, well, it's like, when the VIX is like 40 to 50, like, premiums are higher. Like, that's what I mean.
For sell put, yes, I do that on sell put. For 0 DTE, 0 DTE basically trade, I prefer to have fixed basically kind of below 20. So I know the market is more bullish and kind of bullish stable rather than, it's just like chopping 20 to 100 points every single move. That's kind of the way how I look at. But of course, the premium is gonna be also less, right? But it's okay for me because I sometimes I'm putting like a 10 contract. So 0 DTE if it's $1, 10 contract is $1,000. So hopefully that makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
Now for the fix that basically kind of high, which is premium is high, I normally sell put on the stock. So for example, just pretending Roblox. Now we have fix. This morning is like what 24.81, the highest this morning. That is a good one, right? Because Roblox went down to $68. I can sell put 65 put, and then maybe I don't know, maybe getting like 0 DTE 65 put. Right now it's about 5 cents, so which is nothing. But maybe this morning it was, I don't know, 50 cents. Could be. But anyway, hopefully that answered your question. All right, so
John,
Yeah.
since GameStop was brought up real quick, what are your thoughts on GameStop?
GameStop. let's pull the chart. Okay. I knew GameStop hitting the 61.8% when it went up to 300-ish, and before it pulled back. Let me pull the chart here real quick. Give me a second, because I do have the chart here set up. Because I was making a good money on that one too. All right, come on. Yeah, I bought like the MacBook, the $3,700 MacBook. I still haven't opened it because I haven't got a chance to migrate all my data and stuff. All right, so here we go. GameStop. So GameStop, if we're looking at long term, I don't like GameStop long term, because I don't think it makes sense in terms of, hey, a lot of people say that, oh yeah, GameStop is $300 stock, which is, I don't think so. Probably the max is $50. That's how I see GameStop. Okay, now looking at short term, right? Because there's a lot of pop and prop here. We hit, what is it, 350, 347 at the high here there. That's a 61.8 FIB between the last pop and all the way to, what is it, $500.
Yeah.
Now it pulled back, right? I can see there's gonna be a support here back in, technically right here. The support 180, 180-ish, 175. There's a minor support there
Yeah.
coming. Oops, sorry, hang on, let me change it to that guy. That's a minor support, but the problem is the MACD is curving down. So there's could be a potential we're going down here to this level, 120-ish. We're gonna go breach that level. 120, I prefer to buy at 120 if you want to buy it again, and then just day trade it or swing trade it. Otherwise, it will go down again to, I don't know, maybe $100. I kind of stay away from this kind of stock because the move is just too crazy.
So, what is everybody talking about on Wall Street Bets? Like, oh, the gamma squeeze is coming, blah 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 blah. What are they talking about? I mean, are they just guessing, or?
I think at this point they're just guessing. I was in the ride since the very beginning. I bought at 40 per share.
Nice.
Wow.
Because like even at 40 per share, I'm like, okay, it's not that bad of an investment, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, I wish I bought it like $5. But everything made sense, and look where we are. I really didn't expect a second coming. I don't really see it going past 400 that much, to be honest. I think we could be close to like the end of the wild ride of GameStop potentially, but I used to think 1,000 was like maybe and sort of because like they blocked off buying, but I don't think we can pass 500 again. But let me know if you have any other opinions on that.
I'm just basically the data guy, so I'm gonna bring the data here. I mean, sometimes my opinion doesn't matter much if the big boys basically say otherwise. I know, I kind of agree with you. I think if they don't stop the buying at the time, I think GameStop can hit $1,000 easy. Anyway, but just looking at this data, historical data from just March 15 and all the way to this week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at the premium. The premium is somebody shorting GameStop at 300 there, below 300 put, right? 1.7 million. That's not a small money. But also somebody's buying 150 call. This is happening the 15th, and this is happening on the 16th, right? When it was executed. So whoever doing this, they're making a killing, especially when the stock went down and then bounced again. If they can time it correctly, that's money maker right there. This is the third 19 here. This is supposed to be expired today. To 10 calls, 1.3 million. So if we look at here, there's also somebody is buying 800 calls, or I'm sorry, there's a 800 call strike, but it doesn't mean they're buying it. That could be selling it, right? I mean, 800 is a big number right there. It's, I don't know if you guys watch one of my video about GameStop. At the time, I was shorting GameStop. I was selling naked call and GameStop, and I have a naked put as well. So just one contract each, and it was making about 15 grand on that one, I believe. But my point is, this number 800 there's a lot of people interest on the 800 calls, like either buying it or either selling it. It's like hitting channel flow a lot. Like I see the data like coming in a lot, and I thought it was like, you know what, it could be hitting 800. I mean, if they don't stop it, but anyway. So it did not happen. Now, by just looking at the data right now, historical data by a week, 400, 500. Remember, this is not a big money like the one above, but it's something to be noted. It's just everywhere right now. But I always look at the big number. Just looking at, hey, where's the hedge fund or where's the big money? It's kind of telling me. The small one I kind of ignore, like this. I'm thinking this is maybe just people like hedging. They probably have a stock and then they're just doing a cover call by selling 800 calls, right? Because the premium is still juicy. It's $2, 94 cents, 75 cents. If they have 1,000 share and they're grabbing $2, which is equal what, 10 contract? That's a $2,000 just doing a cover call. They're getting the premium expired today, so that's good.
Wait, they got
See, that's the
that?
thing. If you have,
They're getting that much premium?
Yeah.
For 800 strike price.
There's a lot of people buying either close to the money or at 800. It's a ridiculous graph.
yeah.
Oh,
Remember, if you do have 1,000 share, I don't know, maybe you bought it when it was 50, right? 1,000 share, so that which is one contract is equal 100 share, right? So that means you have, all right, that means you have 10 contract. 10 contract, all right, 10 contract, 1,000 share, you're getting a $2.05, I believe that was the number. Yeah, $2,000. I mean, that's just based on that 80 strike. Maybe he got it, I don't know when. It was 2 days ago. What was that? 800 right there. Oh, the 15. So he got it Tuesday.
yeah.
Not bad for 4 days trading. You know, you collecting premium more and more and more. Dude, that's a good money. I like that. You know, but the problem is, you know, if you buy the GME right now, 1,000 share, it's gonna cost you a couple 100,000, right? Because the stock it's on a 190 now.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 200 grand. So it's only 1% premium every 4 days. All right, let's go back to the market. Let's take a look. What do we have here? But to answer you, Jason, to answer your question, I think it's gonna be choppy in this range until, you know, somebody else basically pop it or drop it.
What do you think about earnings? Think that'll have an effect?
Earning, I think is gonna be good. The video games right now with COVID, dude, they're doing super good. I think they're gonna beat the earning.
Earnings is next week, yeah?
Earning is, come on, really? It doesn't even tell me. Okay, you guys do research. I don't know.
Okay.
Something here. 323 next week. All right, I'm gonna bring this thing down again.
Airbnbs. I'm up on the Airbnbs.
so-
oh, you mean the option?
We're just gonna be chopping.
No,
now.
not on the option.
market
We'll
is just
ride that
like-
one out.
It's in 4 days.
In 4 days.
Yeah, the GameStop earnings.
Okay. Yeah, I think they're gonna do well, but you know, I don't know how these people normally, if they tend to go to earning, maybe they just
still
gonna bring
holding
it up,
true?
and then when earning come out, earning is good, and then they
Like the first day.
drop it.
Like the first
Right,
day.
for Jimmy.
Like, I'm holding true. I'm staying
Or they
true
just
to
bring
true.
it down, and then
I
after
don't even
that,
know where it's
earning
at.
come, it pop up.
Where is it?
I'm not really an earning guy, so I prefer to stay away from.
You don't sell options or sell into earnings?
No. It just depends. If I have a position, I'll hold it. If I don't have position, I normally don't open anything close to earning. I'll open after the earning though, especially when it drop a lot, because the premium is more juicy.
Gotcha.
Well, the premium is juicy prior to earning as well. Don't get me wrong, but I tend to do not want to guess and gamble. I prefer to just know the fact, hey, the market doesn't like, even though the earning is good. If the earning is good and the stock drop, then that is an opportunity to sell put or buy the stock. All right. I think market is just choppy right now. So we basically been kind of sideways up and sideways for what, 30 minutes now. Let me see if there's any other stock. Roblox. Let's take a look. Roblox again. 69.92. They're kind of sideways. Tesla. I don't know, about $7. Facebook up $12. Twilio $3.94 up. Twitter minus 35 cents. Let's take a look at AMC. 13.90.
Oh,
Wish.
you know, there's just one stock, HMNY, Helios and Matheson, parent company of MoviePass. So
Helios and Matheson.
yeah, HMNY. I don't know if MoviePass
That's
ever
like
comes back.
That's like 7, not even 7 cents.
No, not even a penny.
Yeah, I stay away from that stuff.
Yeah. Okay. I don't even bother looking at it then.
That's like just waiting the stock will go bankrupt and disappear.
Yeah. Chad is saying to get rid of GameStop stock before earnings. I was thinking about holding on to it.
What is the price that you bought?
Actually, I'm still holding at one. I think my average is 180.
Oh, you're kind of almost in between then.
I didn't sell when it freaking went up to 350.
Yeah.
I should have.
And no one, I should have too, but no one could have predicted that huge drop as well.
Oh my god.
Was it like 10-15 minutes?
Jeez. Like 6, what do you call that? Circuit breakers in an hour or something. That's ridiculous.
Yeah. It's crazy. But you know how it is, right? I mean, people basically on Reddit or on Discord basically say, whole day we're going to the moon. they tend to sell it. They just basically grabbing your attention to buy more or to hold it so they can liquidate their position. Because remember, it has to be a buyer, it has to be a seller. So they're looking for a buyer to buy their position.
Oh man.
It's all right. You don't have that many, right?
No.
Yeah. It's all right. It's all good. You're a rich man. So,
Yeah,
living in
right.
Hawaii.
That's why I'm not rich, because I'm living in Hawaii.
Dude, what are you talking about? Hawaii is one of the expensive place to live.
Well, that's why I'm not rich, because
They're taking all the money.
50% goes to freaking rent.
Yeah. All right. Esther, where do you live? You don't need to tell me the city. You can tell me the state.
California.
Oh, you're local then.
You in California as well?
Yeah, I'm in the OC.
Oh, okay. I'm in Southern.
San Diego?
I'm trying to think of like a big city you probably know. You know, like Temecula?
Oh yeah.
I'm basically there. Like 30 minutes.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah. Temecula is close by, man. We go to Ortega Highway, just crossing the lake.
Oh, like Elsinore.
Yeah, exactly. That's kind of the shortcut. All right, what else we're looking at? Fastly. I have position on Fastly here. Let's take a look Fastly. So it's up about $1.50 now. I mean, it went down to $69. This one is also good stock if you really want to go long. There is an insider purchase about 2 weeks ago at $65 to $68. I would say about a couple million. So if you go to open insider here, let me show you my screen. I'm kind of giving you all the tools here. This is all the stuff that I use.
Yeah, you seem to follow the big money.
I do, because I prefer to do that because I'm sorry, not a couple million. It's 32 million, so it's not a couple million. It's 500,000 share at 65 and 41 cents. Ignore this sell because this is an option exercise, right? Officers always tend to get that, but this is where the big money that you don't see that much. 32 million suddenly came in, right? And then I mean, a million, yeah, this is all the officer option exercise, sell. But even sell is like $80. So, but my point is right now, I have position. I like this stock. I think the stock will go back to 82. That is my target. 80 to 82 is the target.
Are they like Cloudflare?
Good question. I think they're more into the software. Look here. What do they do? Profile. Technology, software application. They are on the cloud platform for processing, serving, and securing customer application. Yeah, you can say if they're gonna be in the. I mean, they are in the same industry with Cloudflare. Yeah, they're doing a DDoS application, web application firewall, platform TLS, transport TLS. Yeah, Unified Web Application API. Anything on the cloud, I guess. Yeah, so Cloudflare is also on the web performance and security company. So maybe Cloudflare more into the security rather than. Oh, you know what? No, I think they are on the same industry because they are doing the DDoS protection too. Yeah, web performance. Let's take a look. Cloudflare price. What is it? What is the stock here? It's Cloud. It's ticker NET. It's about $70 too. Let's take a look bigger picture. What happened here? Are they hitting 52 weeks high? So 52 weeks high is about 95, and then it went down to $60. 95, $60. Yeah, we're kind of in the sideways mode. I like the way how is MACD on Cloudflare. It's going down, and eventually we do creating like a lower high. You can also do a sell put on this one too.
Is this
NET?
NET?
Yeah. My screen now is.
What's the strike price? 61-ish?
You can use the last low here, 61-ish. Yep. Let's take a look at how much it's giving us.
Yeah.
So we don't want to look this week, of course. So 61 is about 25 cents for next week because it's about $10 high. So what you can do, you can go to April 1st. April 1st, 61 is giving you about 55 cents, which is nothing as well. But you can up, if you have the money, right? You have capital, you can up your contract 55 cents time, 5 will be about $260 ish. Or you can do
30,000.
10 contract. Or you can do 10 contract, 30. Right, 10 contract is giving you about $550 for 2 weeks play. I mean, it's not much. Now let's go compare with Roblox. Going back again, right? For 2 weeks, Roblox, April 1st, let's say you want to sell it at 65 or 61, is giving you about $1.20. So that's why I like selling in Roblox. The premium is more juicy.
Why not the 26 expiration date?
Can, if you want to, yeah. But there, 61 on Roblox. But it's about 58 cents.
Oh man, I would totally sell puts if I could.
Yeah.
Maybe that might be my first play.
Yeah, I mean, especially if you're just learning, just get like one contract, Jason.
Yeah.
You
I need to
don't have to
do
get
something.
you don't have to get far away. Just get it like 65 put here. It's giving you about $2.45 on the 65 put April 1st.
250 for 6,400. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you hold to expiration? Do you have like a set profit target?
It depends. If the stock, like this stock right here, OTRK, I do not set the target for profit. I just basically let it expire because mine, I sold it when it was 22.50, all the way down far away. Right here, the lowest. Now it's like 30, what, almost 40, 37-ish. So it expired today, so I'm just letting it. I mean, yeah, technically, I always look at my portfolio to my cash buying power. Just make sure that I always in kind of 40 to 50% liquid. If it's below that, and then let's say the stock is already far away, and then OTRK is only like 10 cents, I'll probably sell it yesterday, 10 cents. Kind of bringing my cash, buying power back again. Then I can do another sell put again somewhere else that making more money. My goal right now to build a portfolio that is giving me theta decay $1,000 on both accounts. So $1,000 every day. Hopefully that'll be equal 300 grand by a year if everything is a win, right? There's gonna be some things that I have to adjust, something that I have to buy more. Like for example, Tilray and Rocket right now, I kind of in the downside minus. Oh well, overall it's positive because I'm making a lot of money from them. But the position that I enter before the dividend, it was a little bit higher because I do want to collect dividend. Right now it's against me. Rocket, my average about in one in one account is about 25.50. Now it's about 23, so it's down about $2.50. And then I'm gonna collect dividend on that one. It's about $1,000. So technically, it's still minus about $1.50. Hey, hold on, guys. My kids are mute something here. Hold on. I'm gonna mute myself. There's no mute button, or there is?
Hey, Ace.
What's up?
So what are you gonna do with your GameStop shares? Did you already get rid of them?
I have 6 at like 300.
Yeah.
I sold like all of them pretty much. Took that profit. I don't really imagine it's gonna go back up that much higher. Like I can see it going 3, even 400, but that's just kind of speculation.
Yeah, I know. At this
Hope
point,
the
it's
best for everybody in Reddit, especially those fucking people like YOLOing their mortgages.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm just using play money for that. I mean, I just want to be in if it does go to the moon.
I saw it go to the moon and I saw it go right back down. It was depressing.
Yeah.
It's a fun
Go
stock.
down, go back down with the parachute.
I don't know.
I see a lot of meme on that one.
So, Ace, are you planning on keeping those 6 stocks before earnings, or are you gonna get rid of
Yeah,
them?
I'll just hold them. It's not really. It's pretty inconsequential. Even if it went back to like 40, it's not a big deal.
Plus, he already making money on GameStop, so he can always leverage down if you need to.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, if
Now,
GameStop
let
ever
me-
goes
let me-
back to 40, that's a buy signal.
That's a buy signal, yes. But the question is when again, right?
Oh god.
I think they're gonna keep floating on this price. Hey, I got a question, Jason. How many share do you have?
Just 13.
Oh, okay, it's small. I
Yeah,
was thinking it was a big share, maybe like 100. If it's 100, you can do cover call, right? Selling
Yeah.
one contract.
yeah.
So I mean, it's juicy premium. So
Yeah, maybe I should have loaded up when it was, but when it was going to 40 that second time or that first time, I thought it was gonna keep going down.
yeah, people are maybe thinking we're gonna go down to $5 again, right?
Yeah, I never considered. Ugh, it is.
Just wait out. I think second quarter, I can imagine there's gonna be more correction coming, on the stock market. So we'll see how deep the pullback is.
Yeah. AMC. Any
thoughts?
that's another one. That's another meme stock that Reddit's talking about, or Wall Street Bets.
Yeah, I mean AMC, they are start opening soon. I think the recovery is in play, but I don't expect their stock will go up a lot. Because if you look at the stock, I think I mentioned this on Discord a while back. Somebody was also playing AMC long call,
Mhm.
and he asking opinion like, do we keep it, or do we want to keep it, or just sell it? And I told him just sell it, and then he sold it at 14 something. So now
Oh.
it's like 13.
Yeah.
Let me see. What was I think the stock it should be between 6 and 8, $6 or $8.
Okay.
So I don't expect that high. I mean, I could be wrong. I mean, I'm not really knowing a lot of stuff, right? But you know, if the market mover want to change, and you know the big money is basically come in and they want to prop it up to $20, yeah, they can. So
No, even before COVID, it's been on a downtrend anyways.
yeah, because what do you know why they are in downtrend?
No.
Because of Netflix.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, because not a lot of people are watching to the theater anymore. I mean, they are some people. You know, they want to go out with their family, eat pizza, and watch. You know, outside. But the big money is basically on Netflix. Everything is streamed. The new disruption, I guess that's what they call it.
Yeah.
Roku, all those crazy stuff. All right, guys, looking at the screen here, I don't think we are going anywhere. We're just gonna be choppy. Now there's possible we do have a bigger pullback here if we breach that last low. 3860 is my target right there. You see that white line
Yeah.
Mhm.
What
on
is
ES?
ES? Is that futures or what is
Future,
that?
yes. M21 is the option that expire. The future contract expire on June.
Oh, okay.
It's today is the rollover day, right? Today is the last day of the rollover. Anything from from H, which is expired March, it needs to roll over to M, which is June. That's why the quad reaching. Yeah, we just have to pay attention on this. I mean, there's nothing much. It's still the same. Nasdaq is doing a lot better than SPY, S&P. Let's take a look the IBB here, the biotech. They're positive, so that's good. SMH, which is semiconductor, they're also positive, but it's not much. Dow is red, $2.75, which is not good. And then of course SPY is about $1.13 down. This is it. I mean, it's almost 8:30. It's already 8:30, so Europe market is already close. Let's take a look at the Europe market. Are they green or are they red? TNBC, Euro, they are red, right? They're red because of, stock market yesterday also red. So all of them are red. So I don't think, but they don't go down that much though. It's only 1%. So 1%, yeah. I mean, if we have a pullback 1%, we probably will reach ES future will go down to 38.60. That is the white line that I have. And then we're gonna have a bounce and probably close somewhere in this area again. So
How do you determine your price targets? Like why at what is that? 3,863. Why around there specifically?
I use the market profile. I don't know if you know market profile, volume profile.
No, I do not.
Okay, Google it. Volume profile, that is something that I use. So what it does is the stock tend to go back to the price that everybody like. So the more that you can see the volume profile, like for example, let me pull this software here. Give me a second. So I'm using this Motif Wave software. This is a trial. You can do it also in the Think or Swim. Okay, let me know if you can see it.
I can see it.
Yeah, this is not an accurate. I'm just pulling it on QQQ. This right here, this big bar, it looks like a belly curve, right? The bigger the belly right here, the peak, that means is the most average where people trading. People are comfortable with the price. I think this is the most agreeable price between buyer and seller. Like for example, you go to a supermarket, right? And then you say, hey, I want to buy this food. Because of the demand and supply, what is the average price? Normally it's about, I don't know, $15. And then suddenly there's no stock. Everybody just keep buying it because supply is getting less and less and there's so much demand. The price goes up, right? Jason, you know this, especially when you were playing in e-commerce.
Oh, yeah.
Coffee play. Now that price goes up to $18 to $20, and then people like stop buying. It's like, hold on, $20 for the price that used to be only $5. I mean, sorry, not $5, $15. Now the price start going down again, right? Like this, start going down again. It's like, oh wait, hold on. Now it's go down to $12 because the supply is more than the demand. And people on the bottom that says like, dude, this is cheap because the average price that we've been seeing is $15. You can sell and hold this for a month. You can make 3 points. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. This sounds similar to the VWAP, I believe. Is
Yes.
what it's called?
Correct, but VWAP is based on the time frame that you choose, right? And the same thing with this. This is, you can always adjust it as well. You can change this to, this is 1 day. I can change this to 1 week, right? And of course, the time frame on this will change if I pull it bigger, right? Oh shit, you know, this guy is, the volume profile basically has a lot of people buying at 190. But keep in mind, there's a lot of variable that why the price is comfortable on this, but we are here now, right? But if you look at the price back in, I don't know, maybe this one is from 2019. So 2 years ago, the dollar price is also maybe $1, but now it's not even worth $1. It used to be worth $1, so now it's like 50 cents. Just thinking out loud. Now, of course, they have to find another place where they can put their money, right, to make money for them. So buying a company like stock and then the prices appreciate is one of the places for them to put the money. Now, if you arguing is like, oh yeah, there's a lot of stock that basically hit 52 weeks high and their book value is supposed to be only 20 PE, but now it's like, 1,000 PE like GameStop. So it doesn't make sense, but eventually it will go down back to normal again, right? But I'm not saying the stock will go down to this level. I'm just saying that, hey, look at the time frame. If I adjust the time frame from here, the most average and most comfortable agree price from people between 320 on NASDAQ QQQ. This is a time frame from July 2020 all the way to now.
Is this trading view? What is this?
This is motive view. Oh, I'm sorry, motive wave. I'm just doing a trial with this guy because it's easy. Yeah, I think TradingView does have this, and also Think of Swim does have this feature. You just have to know how to import the script. All right. That's pretty much how I see the 3860 on ES. And of course, NASDAQ has its own number, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna leave the Discord screen sharing on, but I'm gonna mute myself. If there's anything kind of good, I probably will come back again and start trading because right now there's nothing really good. I probably will adjust some of my position that will expire today if I need to, because I do have a bunch of them that will expire worthless. And then take another cover call again, like Rocket stuff and Tilray.
No more Roblox?
Maybe, yeah. Right now, I don't know how big is Roblox. Roblox is still 92 cents right now. So
Okay.
I just have to wait until the time, and then hopefully it goes above $70.
Yeah, I'm gonna log off too and shop around a little bit. Cool, man. Thanks for your time.
Jason, talk to you guys later.
Talk to you
All right.
later.
Later, guys. All right, what do we have here? What was the strike price? Roblox. Is that right? No. Damn it. What was the ticker for Roblox? Roblox. RBLX. 66. Okay, strike price is 66. Where are we? For March 26, 66. 91, 67. Actually, it's more 67, right? 115 or 6,700. Let's talk about Rocket Mortgage. Or Rocket Companies, yeah. This is already breaking support levels. March 26th. Oh yeah, I think we were looking at a April expiration. 67. $700 for 193. SLY might be a good play too. It's already at support levels. 63, 62-ish. That's 2 cents up there, 3 cents, 62-ish, 37 cents, 63. That's 45 cents. March 26, April 1st. What was it? 62, 63-ish? 62. 79 cents. Or 6,200. All right, I might make a play. I'm gonna log off first. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out.